Imagine stepping out with makeup that feels as smooth as silk and stays flawless through every smile, every moment, every long hour. This video explores why Best Silk Setting Spray 12HR Makeup Lock has become a quiet obsession for beauty lovers who crave confidence that doesn't fade. From morning glow to midnight elegance, it creates a soft, weightless finish that feels invisible yet powerful. If lasting beauty gives you peace of mind, this is where that feeling begins. Number 1. Tarte Life Lock Hydrating Setting Spray. Soft skin moments begin when makeup feels fresh from sunrise until late-night confidence. Tarte Life Lock Hydrating Setting Spray 10-in-1 Weightless Mist with hyaluronic acid creates a calm sense of trust for people who want beauty without worry. A gentle cloud settles smoothly and gives comfort to tired faces after long days. Every look appears balanced, calm, and naturally alive without heaviness. Humidity, heat, or busy hours no longer steal joy from carefully finished makeup. This mist supports emotional ease because nothing needs fixing again and again. Skin feels cared for, not covered, allowing self-belief to grow quietly. The experience brings freedom to smile, laugh, travel, and move without fear of fading beauty. Vegan values and cruelty-free promise add peace to every use. Hydration blends with lasting hold, creating a connection between confidence and simplicity. This choice speaks to those who desire reliability, elegance, and inner glow that stays present through every important moment. Number 2. e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Confidence blooms when skin feels awake, calm, radiant throughout demanding days. e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray creates emotional security for beauty lovers seeking lasting freshness without heaviness. A whisper soft cloud embraces complexion, delivering comfort, resilience, serenity. Luminous glow appears healthy, youthful, alive, encouraging smiles, movement, connection. Hydration nurtures trust, allowing focus on moments, conversations, achievements. Busy schedules, heat, crowds, stress no longer disturb carefully crafted appearance. This mist inspires freedom, creativity, courage during work, travel, celebrations. Gentle values support mindful choices through vegan ethics, cruelty-free promise. Texture seems invisible, soothing, refreshing, uplifting spirits quietly. Inner assurance grows because look remains steady, dependable, expressive. Simple routine becomes joyful ritual, reflecting self-respect, care, optimism. Choosing such experience means selecting poised elegance, balance, authenticity that accompanies every hour. Memory milestone today, tomorrow. Belief shines effortlessly amid changing climates, lighting occasions, photographs, meetings, gatherings, recollections, journeys, ambitions, presence, comforted, empowered. Number 3. Olive Oil plus Phyto Blend Silken Body Spray. Skin memories feel warmer when nourishment arrives like a soft breeze. Olive Oil plus Phyto Blend Silken Body Spray wraps the body with quiet comfort that feels natural, gentle, reassuring. Each moment after application carries a sense of care that lingers through movement, rest, daily life. The texture feels light, calm, soothing, never heavy, never sticky, allowing skin to breathe, relax, glow. Dryness fades as emotional ease replaces irritation, stress, tightness. This experience connects nature, wellness, trust through plant-inspired harmony. Free from gluten, parabens, sulfates, the formula speaks to mindful living, conscious beauty, thoughtful routines. Cruelty-free values add peace to every touch, reinforcing kind choices. The 5-ounce size fits everyday rituals, travel days, self-care pauses. Choosing this mist means choosing softness, balance, serenity, confidence. Skin appears smoother, happier, embraced by subtle moisture that supports comfort, confidence, presence throughout changing seasons, hours, emotions, journeys. Number 4. Your Silk Setting Spray 12HR Makeup Lock. Calm beauty moments begin when trust replaces worry during long active days. Your Silk Setting Spray 12-hour Makeup Lock offers reassurance for faces that face movement, heat, emotions, time. A feather-light veil settles gently, bringing peace, freshness, balance without weight. Makeup appears settled, composed, graceful, allowing confidence to grow quietly. Smiles, conversations, journeys, photographs feel easier because nothing shifts, distracts, demands repair. Vitamin E Comfort adds a caring touch that feels kind, soothing, protective through daily rhythm. Skin feels refreshed, relaxed, supported rather than covered, hidden, masked. The calming mist creates a ritual that slows breath, clears mind, restores assurance. Alcohol-free, paraben-free values connect with thoughtful choices, mindful living, inner harmony. Ultra-fine texture blends seamlessly, becoming almost unseen yet deeply felt. Choosing this experience means choosing steadiness, self-belief, elegance that stays present from morning energy until evening calm, creating beauty memories that feel natural, enduring, reassuring throughout meaningful moments. Number 5. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Dry Body Oil Mist. Gentle care feels deeper when skin receives comfort without pressure during everyday routines. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Dry Body Oil Mist with oat and jojoba oil brings a quiet sense of relief for dry, rough, sensitive skin seeking calm. The mist settles softly, creating a smooth feeling that stays present through busy hours. Skin appears healthier, relaxed, balanced, supported by nature-inspired nourishment. Each use feels like a pause that restores confidence, ease, warmth. Roughness slowly fades while softness becomes familiar, reassuring, welcoming. Hypoallergenic trust adds emotional safety for those who worry about reactions, irritation, discomfort. Free from parabens, silicone, phthalate, the formula aligns with mindful choices, thoughtful living. The 6.7 fluid ounce size suits daily rituals, travel, comfort, moments of self-care. This experience speaks to people who want dependable moisture without heaviness, shine, or stress. Choosing this body oil mist means choosing kindness, simplicity, steady hydration, emotional peace, comfort, confidence throughout changing days, seasons, movements, memories, connections, presence.